it's your girl Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a fun vlog because I'm finally going to be decorating this tree. I don't know why I waited so long. Well, actually I know why. I waited so long because I was doing a different theme this year, because historically I always do gold and white and a little bit of silver, but I have a flocked Christmas tree this year. And because you guys know I'm doing a makeover for the living room, and a lot of it's black, white, a little touches of brown. So I figured, why not do black? So I'm gonna do a lot of black, and then depending on how it turns out, I'm either gonna add brown or I'm gonna add gold. I'll share with you guys what I have. I don't have too many black ornaments, just because I ordered them last minute from Target and there wasn't a lot. So let me share with you guys what I have, because I have a lot of stuff on the floor, a lot of old decor as well. So I kind of have to sort those out to see what I'm gonna use. So I got these ornaments here. So I got these black and kind of glittery ones from Target. They come in a pack of 8 for $5. I figured this was a really good deal. So I got 2 of these. So we have about 16 black ornaments. I also did get these cute little reindeer figurines from Target as well. I have about 4 of them. And I also got these little bells. You guys saw these in a previous vlog. So we have quite a bit of black here. And then I have these, I think these are like brass finished pine cones. I figured that would be nice to mix in. I'm not sure, because you guys know, home decor is not my specialty, so I have to like do a little bit of trial and error. So I also got these ones here. These are brown tones. I think there's like 36 or 16 in here. And then for other ornaments, I have all of these from when I lived back in Boston. So I have a lot of gold in here. These are a combination of Target, Amazon. No, these are a combination of Target, Walmart, and also the Dollar Tree. A lot of these I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. So I have a lot of these here. I have more in there, and I also have I think some stocking stuffers. And then I have just some garland in here and some of my fall decor. So I'm going to pretty much start with the black, and then I also have a garland that I'm going to put over the fireplace slash TV console here. And I also do have that figurine, that reindeer figurine from Target, and also the candles from Target. So I'm gonna start putting these up with the black ornaments first, and then we will see what colors we're gonna add for the tree here. And I think I showed you guys in a previous vlog, so this is the tree that I ended up going with. So this is a 7-foot, I believe, tree. It's flocked and it's pre-lit, so it does have the lights in there. So that's the tree we're working with today. putting all of the lights up. So I have some lights, I have a lot of lights in the living room, and I put some on the balcony as well. And I'm just kind of finalizing some stuff now. So I put some little decor in the bedroom, not too much, because I don't have that many. So got a little bit in the bedroom, and I'm just gonna finish up and do some last minute touches. So in here I have these from the dollar spot at Target, and this is a Target vase. This was originally in the bathroom, but I did switch up the bathroom, you'll see in a little bit. So I added this here. Don't really know how I feel about it, but I just wanted to add a little Christmas decor in the kitchen. The rest of the kitchen is a mess because I have all the ornaments and everything, and I just want to do like a mini decoration somewhere. Not sure yet, but here's what I did with the bathroom. So in the bathroom, I got this from Target. I think you saw me shopping for some home decor for Christmas, and I picked up this. This is part of their Studio McGee Project 62 collection, I believe. So I decided to put that there. Just a little something, a little touch of Christmas in here. I love how this just looks very realistic. I really like that. And then I picked up these little mini trees. I put them on the toilet here. Just a little bit of Christmas decor in the bathroom. And on to the bedroom. So I have this wreath that I've had since last year. I picked it up from Target. I decided to put it in the room because you guys know my room is very neutral and beige. So I figured it would go pretty nicely. I think it looks nice in there, just because it goes with all the different tones that are in my bedroom here. And I have this pillow that I've had since last year. I decided to put this in the bedroom here because I figured it goes nice with the different neutral tones. And same with this mini gold Christmas tree I got from Target last year. Put that in the bedroom instead. So here's what the bedroom is looking like. You guys know that I'll be changing this up here. I'm gonna take the ones from the living room and put them in there. But for now, we got a little bit of Christmas decor in the bedroom. Not a lot, but just something just to feel nice and cozy in here. And then I'll show you guys what the living room and everything looks like. Now this is where the Christmas decor really is. Everywhere else has like little hints of Christmas decor, but this is where all of the magic is. So here is the Christmas tree. So I decided to do black and gold because this tree is a flock tree, so there's a lot of white in here already, and I feel like the black really pops and stands out, especially with the new decor, with me painting the coffee table black and black accents that I've been adding in here, and soon a new rug and art decor on the wall. But really love that look here. So this is what I have. A lot of these bulbs are from like Target, the Dollar Tree store. These Merry Christmas are from the Dollar Tree store as well. I got a lot of these last year, so I don't know if they're still around. These are from Target. And I do have this garland here. This is from Amazon. And a lot of these pieces are a mix of new and old. So this reindeer figurine is new. I got that from Target. Yeah, I got that from Target. I got all of these from Target. I got these all last year. However, I got the black nutcrackers. You know, this is a black household, and I thought these were very cute. When I saw them in Target, I was like, okay, Target, I really love that. So I have these here. I will say these stocking stuffers are like for babies because you can't fit like anything in here. I think what I might do is just like put some candy so it like adds a little bit of weight and it looks like there's something in there, but they're very tiny. I really love the garland up here. I'm so glad I decided to mount the TV because it's allowing me to decorate and make it feel more homey in here. And this is like one of the favorite spots that I kind of hang around in the apartment. Like I spend most of the time, if I'm not sleeping, here or in the office. So just kind of seeing this just really brightens my day. I think it's very beautiful. I just love Christmas time and Christmas season. And I have some little acorns that you guys saw. I decided to put some in here in this vase that I've picked up from Amazon, and also these candle holders are from Amazon, and I have these candles. You guys saw me in a previous vlog get these from the dollar spot in Target. Just really like how there's a mix of black and gold there. And then I decided to bring the Tom Ford book down here, and also that vase, put it down here. And I added some of the acorns in here, and these are all from the dollar spot. These are like flock stems. I still have the tags on these because I was too lazy to take them out, so I'm just gonna hide that a little bit. And same with this candle here. It says Christmas memories are my favorite memories, which is so true. So this is just like where the tray for the remote and coasters are in here. So I'm loving how everything turns out. It just feels very cozy and homey. All right, guys, so that's pretty much me decorating the apartment for now. I don't think I'm gonna do any more. If I do, I might just do like a lazy Susan back here in this mess of a counter. But I really like how it's turning out so far. It looks really nice. So I'm gonna share with you guys the final tour of all the Christmas decor. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Decorate With Me Christmas edition, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.